All right, good morning, boys and girls. Just like I mentioned yesterday in class, we are going to do the spelling test from home. So I want everybody to please get your papers out. This is your spelling test for lesson 9, and this is the Dr. Seuss spelling test. The Dr. Seuss spelling test. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to get ready. If you need to take more time, please pause this video so that you can get your paperwork that you need to have in front of you, okay? So for the spelling word number one, the spelling word is yes. 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 When we ask for a gift, we like to hear yes. Yes. Number 2. If you need to pause, please pause the video. Number 2. The word is let. Let. Let me have a seed. Let. 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 Let me have a seed. Let. Number 3. The spelling word is red. Red. Our school colors are red, white, and blue. Red. Number 4. 10. 10. We have 10 toes and 10 fingers. 10. 10. Number 5, bed. Bed. It is nice to sleep in a comfy bed. Bed. Number 6, get. Get. Will you get the water bottle? Get. Get. Number 7, the word is sled. Sled. I will go down in the snow on a sled. Sled. Number 8, the word is step. Step. Please watch your step as you go up the stairs. Step. Step. Number 9, the word is was. Was. This animal book was very funny. Was. And the last word, number 10, is the word after. After. They will go to sleep after the story. After. Again, if you missed a word, please go to the very beginning of the recording and you can pause after each word. Before I end this recording, I do want to point out that for your grammar, you are going to be circling the plural noun. So remember, we have a plural noun and we have singular nouns. Plural noun means there's more than one. Singular noun means there is just one. So for this one, you are circling the plural noun. And I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.